Hello, what's up everyone? I'm Imad Aldin from the Digital Brothers. So what our today's topic is basic tutorials from scratch. So before we start, I want to say something to the Muslims watching out there. I advise them as a Muslim myself that they should recall Allah more and more. This is the 10 important days of Jil Hajj Mash has arrived. This is just for the Muslims. I advise them as a Muslim myself. No offense to any other religion. I respect all other religion the same as I do to Islam. So let's begin our coding. If we want, we can go to the Chrome web browser and search Scratch games. After we arrived here, we need to click the Scratch Explore link, and we can create this create button. You need to first log in into this website. As I have already logged in, this is my username. Let's begin. So guys, have you ever wondered about checking your IQ? Well, we can make a app where we can check our IQ with the formula of checking IQs. Let's get started. First, we need to click this paint button, and here we have to come here and click this T sign, which means text, and we need to choose a color. I am going for blue for the Digital Brothers, and we need to write your IQ. Calculator, or we can just write IQ calculator if we want. And we need to add a subheading telling let's check your IQ here. So we need to exit out of that to the code, and we need to upload a sprite from your computer. I have already downloaded one. You can add any pictures of your wish. I want to add this idea light bulb. Yeah. I arranged it properly, and okay. Now we need to go to the costumes part, and let's set the text color to black and start. This will happen as when we click this button, the calculation will start. Let's set this exposition to 0, and this is perfect. Now let's rename this sprite as title. Let's go to the costume. You can also add another sprite. I am using the costume. Let's add another text. Cyan. This color blue. Your IQ is, let's put it in the center, a colon, none. we can rename these, but I can understand it, so I don't need to. Now for the coding, first let's set our costing to this. Okay, if we want we can add a background. I don't need a background for now. Now we need to go to the light bulb, and this events part you need to click this, and when the green flag clicked we need to grab this block, means when this is clicked the commands will operate. Then we want it to show, there will be some show and hiding. Then we also need to this, when this prior clicked, means we need to click this is referred as the start button. Here we need to click this, and we need to broadcast a message, means it sends message to uh, other characters in this event to the background. Let's come here. So we can write our custom message. Can my IQ. You can write whatever you want. I wrote this. It's suitable. Then I need to come to the sensing part, and I need to take this. This asks what this asks a question actually. When I click it, this will ask a question. I don't want it to ask my name. What is your mental age? So actually the formula of calculating IQ is mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Mental age is the age your mind is like the age of the person, and the chronological age is your normal age, current age. Now ask what your mental age, and we need to come to the variables. uh, Everyone knows, I think, what is variables, where we store things. We need to create a variable by clicking the make variable. For all sprites, I IQ score. We need to create three variables: IQ score, mental age. I made a mistake, not mental age, and chronological age. Chronological age. I want, if we click these check marks, it will disappear, and if we click these blank spaces, it will show again. I want my chronological age and mental age to hide, and I want to keep it in the center, and I also want it to hide for now. We will code about that later, about showing this IQ score. Now we need to come here, and here is the answer of this question will come here. We need to set, this will set the variables like the answer. I will set my mental age to the answer of the mental age, and I need to ask again another question. What is your to give a question mark? Then I need to do the same thing for this. Duplicate, we can duplicate by right clicking. Now I need to click this arrow and set this to chronological age. Okay, done. Now we need to make this that when I click this light bulb it will hide. So I need to go to this looks option and grab this hide command. I also need to make it like when this green flag is clicked, this one will show. I have two costumes, this and this will show later. So I need to write switch costume to costume 1, and when I receive calculate my IQ, will from these events we need to grab this command calculate my IQ, and we need to switch the costume to costume 2, this one, from the looks option. Now this will happen as like this. When I click this light bulb button it will change into this. Oh, I forget to program it to hide. Oops. Okay, now we need to put this hide block after the broadcast and before the questions. So when you click this it will hide, and I want this to be in the center. And when we are done giving the infos, I only need to grab another set, and we need to click the IQ score. We need to go to the operators, and I hope everyone knows the 4 operators in computers: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, this star shaped thing for multiplication, and this slash for division. We want to divide first as mental age divided by chronological age into 100 is the formula of calculating IQ. We need to grab this variable mental age, and also we need to grab this variable from this variable option chronological age. We need to take it out and need to go to the operators and get this division sign, and we need to put it here, and we need to put this whole green circular thing in this box, circular box. We need to put it here, and it is hard to grab. Oh, I took the wrong thing. I need the this multiplication one. I need this, and I need to hold it and put it here. It just got a little blurry, but okay. I need the 100. I just need to write 100 here, and I need to code something. When green flag clicked this one, I want this variable to hide. So hide variable IQ score. I also want the chronological age and the mental age variables to hide. So I need to go to the controls and grab this forever button. This will just hide them forever, and I don't need to hide this forever. I need to show it again. So when I receive calculate my IQ, we need to go to the events and get this block. When I receive calculate my IQ, we want the IQ score variable to show, and we are done. My mental age is 28. Actually not 28, little like 26. I tested it. You also need to test it in a website or other things. And my chronological age is 11, my normal age, and the score will be given. So this is my IQ score, 236.363636. This will continue forever, the decimals, but my IQ score is 236. I need to save the project. Save to your computer. I need to click this arrow and I need it to show in folder. Now you need to choose where you want to save your project. I want to go to the volume D and save it in the Scratch project. Wait, at first I need to rename it. Here I need to right click it and click this rename option. Later, and I need to drag it to the volume D and to the Scratch projects. And if I search here IQ calculator, there it is. And now it is saved, and I am in a website, Scratch website, so if I want I can share this project. And I need to write some instructions, credits, and I need to share it. It is already shared, people will see it. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember what I said about today, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any future videos, and I will see you on the next video.